welcome by Smart Power. I am Jessica and today I'm gonna tell you how you can make a backup of your MacBook Pro with Monterey on it. You need a hard drive with a minimum of 500 GB. So you can make a backup by Time Machine. I'm gonna show you how you can do that, and I'm gonna share my screen. But before I do that, I have to tell you I made a movie before, and in that movie I told you how you can put your MacBook Pro back to the factory resets. Before you do that, and you don't want to lose your stuff on your MacBook, make the backup like I'm gonna tell you in this movie. I'm gonna share my screen and watch it. Share you my screen. There's one thing I want to tell you before I gonna make the backup. When you have a MacBook earlier than 2017, you don't have a problem. When you have a MacBook newer than 2017, you need a hub to use a normal USB. When you don't need a hub, you need a USB-C cable to make the backup. I'm gonna put it on and then you can see what I am doing. Here it is. I put the hard drive on, then I go to System. In System, I go to Time Machine. Time Machine is the backup program of Apple. Then, I never made a backup with this MacBook before, so I have to select a hard drive to put the backup on. So I select that one, then this is the hard drive I put on, so I'm gonna use this one. Then I choose use this hard drive. Then I wait. I have to wait. You can see in the screen that I have to wait for 140, 30, 12 seconds. So we have to wait. And until we wait, I tell you that when you use a hard drive for this, every time you put the hard drive on, the MacBook gonna make a backup automatically. So that's easy. You don't have to select it for a second time. But it's only when you use the same hard drive. We're gonna wait for 80 seconds and then it's gonna start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. Now you see it's gonna work. You see ook that there is 575 GB beschikbaar on my hard disk. So people, you have to wait. It's gonna be green when it's gonna make a copy. This is how it works. One moment, I'm gonna use my camera again. I am again. And backup from a MacBook takes a couple of hours. Sometimes take 1 hour, sometimes take 9 hours. Nothing you can do about that. It's the way Apple makes a backup. It's when you want to put the backup back on another computer, it's like a clone. So that's what I want to tell you. If you want to backup your MacBook or your iMac or something else from Apple, use Time Machine. This is the story about how you can backup your MacBook. Do you want to know how I can make my money online with only my smartphone in the future? Click on the comments under this movie and see how I can do it. I take you to the next movie and to my mentor. Do you like me? Do you like Smart Power? Give me a thumb. Put your belletje aan, and when I make a new movie, you get a notification. Thank you for watching. I am Jessica. This is Smart Power. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.